here is basically change the Python code. Instead of returning a 0, we're going to return a 1. So what will happen in the Python is the response will now be returning a 1. Because it's non-zero or not equal to 0, it's going to print out this error code or the exit code. Okay, so we can rerun our C++ program, which was called a.out. I just want to note, have people understand something here. This is a Python script, okay? So this is interpreted by the interpreter of Python, or the Python interpreter, which is called by this guy. So that's calling the Python interpreter when we run the system command, and then issue with it as part of the arguments that we're wanting to run the create Python script. From there, because it's being interpreted, we don't have to recompile anything on the script, because it's the Python interpreter gets called and we'll call this Python script create.py. Okay, so when we make a change here in the C++, we always got to recompile it with the compiler, as I did with this G++ command. Okay, just so everyone knows that. So we don't have to recompile the C++ one, but we can just rerun it. Now remember, we've got an empty. That text file does not. That text file does not exist, and that's created by the Python script. And the other difference is we are returning a 1 and not a 0. So what will happen in the C++ side? It will print out this exit code was basically 1. Okay, so let's run on the terminal. So you can see the exit code was 256 or whatever it was, and it created the file. Not sure why that would print out 256, but it could be something in the here, the data type. But nonetheless, it somewhat works, and it's a pretty good way to call Python and then have a response based upon the return and the result of what happens in your Python script.